Dymens is not a wallpaper. Dymens is a new shape for creating art. And this is exactly what we are selling, and because of it, we are asking for higher prices. Working with Dymens material allow our clients and their designers to take their dream and to bring it to life, to add textures, colors, look and feel that a different material can never achieve. In all of our projects, we adding textures, feel, and look to every space that we are having Dymens. We are providing our clients holistic solutions from developing the designs until the installation. They have one collaborator that will take their dreams and put it on their walls.